All right, guys. Just gonna go ahead and talk about the few stocks randomly uh, for tomorrow. Maybe 4 or 5 that I'm watching here in the afternoon that might move tomorrow. So we all know that RR was fantastic today. I've been on it for I don't know, maybe 2 to 3 weeks. My average 228 or so. And it finally, man, broke out. So I was looking at this 230s here as key, and man, when it blasted through, I already had a nice position, so I didn't add or anything because I was already sized up. And yeah, it was beautiful. You know,
AI News Alert, MNOV.
they got those news came out of big client, and then they have some sort of expo or something, and next month. And then they came out with a tweet about a new robot. So interesting. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. I'm still holding half of the position. I sold most of it over 3. Um, Tomorrow, really, right now after hours, it's probably it's flat. Tomorrow, ideally, we get a push in the morning. Maybe 350 over under. I might sell some there, but I want to hold this. I want to hold a core. I want to hold a core to see what happens with this thing. Because there's now you have a catalyst on October for this new robot. So yeah, I'll probably sell most of it and then hold a core into that event. Now, with another one that I'm watching, is this company I've been watching for a long time. It's Compass. Is a mushroom stock. Psilocybin compound. They're trying to get it. They're doing trials. And there's biotech. There's always risk with biotech, but I really like the trend here in this last. Ever since they put out that data, market didn't like it, but after that data, it's a very nice uptrend. Now it's consolidating 4 to 476 or so. So and now you can see the volume started to creep in and it's starting to increase. Moving averages are curling up. It's now clearly over the 200 days. So technically, I like it. I gotta say I own shares at higher prices. Um, I've been accumulating, lower the average a little bit, but I do believe in the company, uh, and then we'll see what happens. I like the trend. Um, then I got Boeing, very nice over here. Nice day, strong candle. So 250 magnet. That's everybody's like expecting maybe a test of the 250. If it holds at the 22 or so, yep, that's another has a good chance to test that 250. What else do I have here? I do have a speculative holding here. It's sort of a small position because I like to play this FDA catalyst. Damn it, ACHV. They do have a catalyst with the FDA upcoming. I don't want to go into details of what the drug is or anything. I do play small size in these, just to play the catalyst. It's nothing that's gonna hurt me if it's a, how do I say it? It's a binary event because things can go to hell, right? It's the reason why I do play small on these. But I like the trend. And again, it's been look at this volume here. This day was huge. Ever since back in back on here in July, it's hasn't gotten that type of volume. So it looks like the market is
MIO 3000%
liking
burst.
what they are seeing, and I was looking at the institutional interest in the stock, and it's quite high. I believe it's around 49% institutional ownership. Technically, it rejected that 336 area, and this candle is kind of ugly. After hours, I think it's back up a little bit. And like I said, you know, this is a very speculative play, so my stop is pretty far off. It's down here at 260. Then again, my size is small, and I'm not worried about, you know, it being down 30, 40%. I'm willing to hold it and see, you know, see what happens, and because size is not, it's not big. And then, you know, the catalyst is positive, I might even add to it. Okay, so that's the plan. And to end this thing, I do have, yeah, I do have Tesla. This is one of my, you know, portfolio holdings. I think everybody has Tesla in their portfolio, right? So yeah, look at these higher, you know, higher lows, you know, coming up, and you know, ever since back in March, you got higher lows. So the trend is continuing over the 200-day, over the 50, over the 20, over the 9, and I like it. Not much to say other than
AI News Alert.
other
DIA.
than other than that 368 area is key for the breakout. But I'm not even, you know, this thing is for the long haul. 26, 27, 2026, 2027. You know, I'm looking. You guys might laugh at me, but I'm even expecting 500 sometime the next year or the year after. All right, you guys take care. Um, Trade them well. Be safe. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't even think about doing what I'm doing here. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Just doing this my own ideas, and you know, I can share them. That's cool with me. You guys take care. Have a good night.